Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to convert your Ggives to GCash Wallet without using GPO. Step 1. Open your GCash app and go to the Ggives section. Step 2. Check your active loan and the amount available for spending. Step 3. Go to a partner merchant that allows e-loading or QR payments. Step 4. Use Ggives to purchase a GCash Amex voucher, e-load, or an online wallet top-up. Step 5. Complete the transaction and wait for the voucher or code or top-up confirmation. Step 6. Use that to reload your Gcash wallet via the voucher or linked service. And that's how you can convert your Ggives limit into usable Gcash without needing GPO. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.